Welcome to Study Loop.
Hi everyone. So before we dive into this problem, let's talk a little bit more about epithelial cells. So epithelial cells, epithelial cells are a particular type of cell and a particular type of tissue that lines the outside. So it lines outside of the organs and the structures in your body. So it's really important, or else the structures in your body wouldn't have the sort of defense mechanism and interaction with the outside that they do today. So there are four main types of epithelial tissue. There is squamous, and squamous epithelial cells are usually flat and round. The second type is cuboidal, and this, as you can tell probably by the name, are cube-like in shape. The third is columnar, which are tall and narrow. And finally, we have transitional. So transitional cells are typically round, but they are stratified. So all of these epithelial tissues are found in different places of the body, depending on what body function that they help best with and what that organ does for the rest of the body. So the question is asking us which is best to help aid in diffusion. So diffusion is the transport of cells going from one place in the body to the other. So it can go from one cell to another cell. And it can be a many number of things. It could be ions, it could be water, which is called osmosis. It can be other chemicals, and basically anything that goes from an area where it's highly concentrated. So an area that's highly concentrated to an area that is only a little bit concentrated, sort of to even out the balance. So the type of cell that aids best with that is always going to be columnar. And we can see that this is true and it's useful for their job because they're usually around the digestive tract. So because they're in the digestive tract, they have to do a lot of dealing with chemicals and nutrients being transferred from one place to the other. So we can see that columnar is the answer.